Whenever you're working with Microsoft Publisher, you may want to zoom, pan, so that your editing is quite easier. So in order to zoom and pan, so let us start with panning right here. So I got my document, and if I want to just scroll up and down pan, I can use my scroll mouse button, of course, and I can also use the scroll bar right here and at the bottom to scroll it left, right, or up, down, just like that. In order to zoom in, I can hold Control and use the scroll mouse button to zoom in and zoom out, just like that. Besides that, I can use the view menu right here, and over here you can see that there are more zooming options. So I can go for 100% zoom right here. So if I press 100%, it actually fits up everything. And over here on the left side, you can see that I can see thumbnails of the design that I want to work with as well. I can also go for whole page, so it shows me the whole page. 100% fixes it out altogether, and whole page leaves a bit of a margin right there. I can also type in the zoom level, so it is 94%. So if I want to say I want to zoom into 200% right here, it zooms in 200%. Or I can also go over here and zoom in like 350%. It's like this. And I want to pan it out, I can just go over here and then pan it out over here, just like that. Or what I can also do is go for whole page right here. Another thing I can do is I can go for page width right here, so it'll actually expand out all the page width right there. And you can see that this thing is disabled right now, but if I were to select this, you can see that now the selected object is actually available. So if I were to click it, you can see that it actually zooms in to that section right here. So I can say something like tube right here, and there you go. Or I can also go for whole page, and I want to edit this part. I can simply click this and go to selected object, and now I can start editing this just like that. Alright, there you go. So that is how you can use the zoom and panning tool inside of Microsoft Publisher. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.